Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLNT. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past day or so broken down into 15-minute time slices. Say day or so because, you know, the price action that is actually happened late day yesterday. You can see that's when the volume started to come in, and then obviously that carried on into today. So quite a few people talking about this one, rightfully so, made an absolutely crazy move. So let's talk some areas of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support to keep an eye on going into next week, right there at about $6, give or take. So $6 initial area of support. The price can't hold above there. Then the next, interesting price point sitting down right around $5.10. Also, you can keep an eye on the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Moving being the keyword there. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move upwards. So if you want to picture that as a trend line, I mean, that's a very logical thing to do. So I mean, from more so the bigger picture of things, I mean, if the price can pull back here and then bounce, and then it could technically, fall all the way down here and then fall all the way down here, but hopefully you see what's going on here. Sure, it keeps falling, but as long as the price keeps on putting in these higher lows as time goes by, then the stair steps continue in the upwards direction. And, that's the name of the game at the end of the day, assuming you care about the big picture perspective. If you care about, as a day trader, if that's your perspective on things, then yeah, you really don't necessarily care about, all those big price movements. You more so just care about where potential areas of support and resistance that you can trade accordingly around. So keep in mind, there are different things, they're going on. Case in point, from perspective, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 7 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then the chart is still fine because the bulls can still put in a higher base. And that's how you build long-term uptrends, by putting it in higher bases. Case in point, let's just say that the pullback gets even, more drastic, comes all the way down here. Let's just say right there, bounces around and then heads back up. Well, even at that point in time, from, again, big picture perspective, you'd have a set of lows there, this set of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, the overall stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. So, if some of this sounds crazy to you, my guess would be, well, you probably had a different perspective going in. You had a different strategy. What about areas of resistance? Just going to focus on one level of resistance right now, given that the price has started to, seemingly fall apart a little bit. So that's going to be up there at $7, and I'll add one more. So $7.50, since this one's such a crazy mover. Who knows? This could snap back around real quick. So $7.50, first level of resistance, and then the next level up there at about $8.90, or if you want to just call it $9, that would work too. So all in all, very entertaining stock. I know I'll be watching it next week, so we'll see how it all unfolds. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.